Struggling with bad credit or no credit, you're not alone. Many immigrants arrive in the U.S. with zero credit history or face unexpected financial struggles. But here's the good news: you can rebuild your credit and achieve financial success. In today's video, I'll share real success stories of immigrants who went from bad credit to excellent credit, and I'll break down exactly how they did it. Whether you're just starting, recovering from debt, or dealing with financial setbacks, these stories will inspire you and give you a roadmap to fix your credit fast. Let's dive in. Maria moved from Mexico to Texas with no U.S. credit history. She faced several difficulties. Denied for credit cards and loans. Had to pay high deposits for utilities in a rental apartment. Couldn't qualify for low-interest financing options. Maria felt stuck. She had a steady job, but no way to prove she was financially responsible. The solution: Maria applied for a secured credit card, $300 deposit required. She used only 10% of her limit each month and paid in full before the due date. After 6 months, her responsible usage helped her get approved for a store credit card. She set up automatic payments to ensure she never missed a due date. After 18 months, her score jumped from 520 to 750. Key takeaway: starting with a secured credit card and paying on time consistently is one of the best ways to build or improve your credit score fast. Ahmed, originally from Egypt, had a great credit score, 720, until he had an unexpected medical emergency. With no insurance, he ended up with $7,000 in medical debt. He missed payments, and within a few months, his credit dropped to 580. He felt overwhelmed, and lenders started rejecting him for loans. The solution: Ahmed contacted the hospital and negotiated a payment plan to prevent the debt from going to collections. He used Experian Boost to add his utility and phone payments to his credit history, improving his score slightly. He disputed an error on his credit report. One account was wrongly marked as late. After 12 months of consistent on-time payments, his score rebounded to 710. Key takeaway: medical debt doesn't have to ruin your credit. You can negotiate bills, set up payment plans, and dispute errors to recover faster. Raj moved from India to the U.S. on a work visa and had no credit history. He applied for his first credit card, but made a mistake. He maxed out the card instead of keeping usage low. His credit score dropped to 570 after just a few months. Lenders refused to approve him for another card. The solution: Raj applied for a credit builder loan through his local credit union. He made small, on-time payments every month to show lenders he was responsible. He kept his credit utilization under 10% and paid in full each month. After 1 year, his credit score jumped from 570 to 780, making him eligible for low-interest loans and premium credit cards. Key takeaway: a credit builder loan plus responsible credit card usage is a fast track to credit success. Sophia, a Venezuelan immigrant, was a victim of identity theft. Fraudsters used her personal details to open 3 credit cards in her name, maxed them out, and her credit score dropped from 690 to 560 overnight. She was shocked. She had been responsible with her finances, and now her credit was destroyed. The solution: she immediately reported the fraud to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion and placed a fraud alert on her credit file. She froze her credit report to prevent further unauthorized accounts from being opened. She disputed fraudulent accounts and worked with the credit bureaus to have them removed. She monitored her credit score monthly using Credit Karma. Within 5 months, her credit score recovered to 700. Key takeaway: if you're a victim of fraud, act fast. Freezing your credit and disputing false accounts can save your score. Use a secured credit card. It's the fastest way to start building credit. Keep your credit utilization below 10%. Don't max out your cards. Negotiate and settle debts. Many lenders will work with you on payment plans. Use credit builder loans or Experian Boost. Small steps make a big impact. Check your credit report for errors. 1 in 5 people have mistakes that hurt their score. Protect yourself from identity theft. Monitor your credit regularly. Have you been working on your credit? Share your story in the comments. like, subscribe, and hit the for more financial tips for immigrants. You can rebuild your credit and achieve financial freedom just like these success stories.